So guys, for the first method, you want to unplug and then reconnect the USB device. For the second method, you want to plug your USB into a different USB port. For the third method, plug your USB into a different device so you can see what's causing the problem, either your computer or the USB. For the next method, you want to go to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. For the next method, you want to go to search and type in create and format hard disk partitions. Click on it. And now once you're on this, make sure that your USB is plugged in. Now in the top left, you want to click on action and then click on refresh. See if it appears. For the next method, you want to go to search and type in device manager. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to expand universal serial bus controllers. Now you want to click on action on the top and then click on scan for hardware changes. And now once you're on this, if you can see your USB right here, then you want to right click on it and then click on update driver. And then click on browse my computer for drivers. And then click on let me pick from a list. You want to install the driver that you think is most applicable to your USB. You want to click on it and then click on next. You want to install that driver. See if that works. For the last method, you want to go to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you're on this, make sure that your USB is plugged in. Now you want to type in msdt.exe space -id space device diagnostic and then click on enter. And now this will come up. You want to click on next. Wait for this to load. And now once this comes up, you want to click on apply this fix and then click on next and then click on enable. Wait for this to load. And now once that's been done, you want to restart your computer and this should now fix your problem. If not, then your USB is probably corrupted.